We're going to walk through an example of finding the prevailing wage rates on the DIR website. There are a couple of pieces of information you need to know first. You need to know the county that the job is located, and you need to know the classification of the employee. In our example, we're going to be looking at Los Angeles County for a journeyman electrician inside wireman. First, we'll go to the DIR website. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of the home page and click on Prevailing Wage Determinations. Because we're looking for a journeyman, we're going to click on the first link. Next, we're going to follow these steps in order to find our classification. If you don't see your classification on statewide, you're going to go back to the main table and narrow down your search. In our example, we're going to look at Southern California. If you still don't see your classification, you're going to go back to the main table and you're going to narrow down your search to county. As soon as you choose the county, a spreadsheet will download. We're going to go to the electrician inside wireman, and we're going to use this entire row to find out important information about how much to pay this employee. We're going to start here at the basic hourly rate of $42. That's going to be paid directly to the employee. Next, we have fringes, such as health and welfare, pension, training, and other. Health and welfare, pension, and other will either be paid directly to the employee or to a third party. This is going to be job specific. Training will never be paid to the employee. It will always be paid to a third party. It will depend on your company where you make those payments. Next, we're going to look for any footnotes in our rates, and we do have one here in pension, footnote R. We're going to go to the footnotes sheet tab, and we're going to find R. In the instructions, it is telling us to add 3% to the basic hourly rate. That means we're going to take $42 and multiply it by 3%, which is $1.26. That means the employee is going to make a basic hourly rate of $43.26. When you add all of the fringes to that $43.26, you're going to come up to this total hourly rate of $70.88. Next, it's important to note the overtime, Saturday, Sunday, and holiday time. It's not always time and a half or double, so it's important to make sure the employees are getting paid these rates. Lastly, it's important to notice the expiration date. There is a predetermined increases tab, which shows that for our inside wireman on July 31st, there is a predetermined increase of $1.10. What this spreadsheet does not show us is how to spread that $1.10 between the basic hourly rate and the fringes. If the new prevailing wage determination sheet is not published by July 31st, then you need to call the DIR and find out how to allocate that $1.10.